Hi guys, Wendy Williams here. Welcome to my first YouTube video. I'm so much excited about this one. I'm not even kidding, I'm very much excited. If you know the number of times I've sat down to start this and then it doesn't work, you give me a tap in the back like, Wendy, you've tried. Has anyone ever sat you down to tell you about their struggles with starting? I want to scream. This is how every other person that started anything felt before they got it, before they became excellent in whatever thing they were doing. So it's my own time to feel that way. And I'm glad I'm having that experience. Yes. So one of my struggles with starting, I think number one has to be that I'm a perfectionist. I love things to be perfect before I start. I love things to just go well, to work well before I start. But hey, it doesn't work that way. If I start this thing today, I'll be bad at it. If I start it tomorrow, I'll be bad at it before it gets better. If I start it next year, I'll be bad at it before it gets better. So what's best? I start today, be bad at it today. It should look messy today before I make progress on the way. Yes, perfection is an illusion. It doesn't work that way. You become better when you do. You become a doer when you do. And another thing I struggle with is, let's say, watching other people's video. Okay, I'm not really saying watching other people's video is bad. All I'm saying is that too much knowledge restricts action. So I was just watching people's video without putting it into action. I was watching their videos. Whenever I watch, I go back to what I'll be talking about later, overthinking and over planning. Whenever I watch their video, I find myself going to recreate, going to work on my script again, going to work on everything I was willing to do. But no, I've truly come to terms that you watch other people, pick a piece from what they are doing, come and show your own work, come and do your own work. Put what you've learned into action. Yes, and the third thing is overthinking and over planning. It has been one of my struggles because hey, if I will be given a penny for every time I've sat down to think about this whole process, I will be a billionaire in dollars by now. Just kidding, I'm kidding. Yes. So that's it. I was just overthinking the whole process and just over planning it. And overthinking and over planning will just keep you stuck in one place. They'll make you not to move. You don't move, your ideas don't work. You just keep coming back to your ideas. You keep worrying, you keep stressing your brain. Well, the right thing to do is to start it and then make progress on the way. Bye! I'll see you in my next video.